Planning a bathroom remodel and confused about which materials and finishes to choose? It's crucial to understand your bathroom's size, usage, and existing conditions, including pesky issues like moisture. Choosing materials based on your bathroom's needs is the first step to a successful remodel. Now that you've assessed your bathroom's needs, it's time to choose materials and finishes. Durability, maintenance, and visual appeal play crucial roles in this selection process. For flooring, you might opt for durable tiles, luxurious natural stone, or water-resistant engineered wood. Walls can be adorned with easy-to-maintain tiles, budget-friendly panels, or waterproof paints. Fixture finishes range from classic brass, modern stainless steel, to trendy matte black. Remember, choosing the right materials can make a significant difference in the longevity and appearance of your bathroom. With the right materials in mind, let's move on to budgeting, sourcing, and personalizing your bathroom remodel. Think about cost-effective alternatives that offer style and longevity, like ceramic tiles that mimic pricier options. Don't shy away from investment pieces that add value and reduce replacements. When sourcing, consider local stores for hands-on experience, online retailers for wide selections, and specialty suppliers for unique options. Create a mood board to visualize your design, and remember to balance trendy pieces with timeless materials. With a clear budget, reliable sources, and a personalized design, you're one step closer to your dream bathroom. To wrap things up, let's look at some real-life examples and final thoughts on choosing materials and finishes for a bathroom remodel. Small bathroom remodels can greatly benefit from large tiles and floating vanities, while luxury remodels can use high-end materials like marble countertops and custom tiles. Remember, the right materials and finishes are crucial to a successful bathroom remodel. With careful selection and planning, your dream bathroom is within reach. Consult with professionals for guidance and enjoy the process of bringing your vision to life.